A new book just dropped, and it's one you need to read. Staying Human in the Age of AI by Stephen Nappy. In zero gravity, astronauts lose bone density, not because something attacks them, but because nothing pushes back. Right now, your mind is in zero gravity. Every time AI writes the email, you practice not writing. Every time it makes the decision, you practice not choosing. Every time it explains the answer, you practice not figuring it out. The work still gets done. The outputs are good. But something quiet is happening underneath. This isn't burnout. It isn't stress. It's erosion. We are not being replaced by AI. We are disappearing into convenience. So before you prompt, before you delegate, ask yourself, what part of me is this replacing? And what part of me is it training? Because the future isn't about AI. It's about what kind of human you choose to be. Staying Human in the Age of AI. Available now on Amazon Kindle.